What up, Boat Boys Nation? Today we have a special edition video, 4th of July edition. Let's go catch some fish at the Signature Lake. What up, Boat Boys? Welcome to the 4th of July special. Today we have a special video. Welcome to Boat Boys Catching Fish Day 7. What's up, Boat Boys? For this 4th of July edition, we are building a boat.
Yep. Alright, Boat Boys, so the plan here, we have all this wood. What we're gonna do is gonna cut this piece of wood so it's the same size as this one. Screw it together, and then just to make it bigger, we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna put these little pieces of wood, cut them down, put them at like the front and the back of the boat to make sure it floats. And then we're gonna make a little paddle out of a piece of wood too. And it'll be lit.
That's gonna take years, dude. You got
Look at that expertise.
Yeah. I need a break already.
Boys, we gotta upgrade to our tools. We're getting serious now. We're getting serious now. We're getting serious now.
Casket can get it.
Bitch, out of function, trigger finger busting, and I'm pouring mud. Just sent me some pics of her, and it was on Insta, oh, that was on a Finta, bro. You not like that? Yeah, I could sing like Mike Jack. I roll you in a light pad, go band for band, yeah, go hat for hat, yeah, go flex for flex, yeah, go check for check, yeah, I go step for step, yeah, I got hello racks.
Boat Boys, the boat is coming along. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, in Berlin, free go. I shoot that like a free throw. You know she gave me dough. Tipping high tech, yo. It's purple up in the cup. To give me love. All my bags they come in Dutch. Doing jump ropes on my deep. I got hella sticks and we got hella bliss and ARB. Hit you in your teeth and yeah.
Yeah, hey, what?
Lazy bones alert, lazy bones alert, lazy bones alert, oh, lazy bones alert.
think we put like this piece of wood right there, and the same on the other side. Down like that on the top this time.
I mean, whatever floats your boat.
And I'm pouring mud. And your sent me some pics of her. And it was on Insta off. That was on a Fenta, bro. Yeah, pussy, you not like that. Yeah, I could sing like Mike Jack. I roll you in a light pad. Light pad. Do a bend for bend.
What's up, Boat Boys Nation? This is the boat. Yes! Look at this baby.
Oh,
Yep.
flip this bad boy.
Dude, we haven't even shown the front.
Look at this flotation on the back. Oh, baby.
Got a big one right here, then one right here, one right here. Extra support over here, and then in the middle for the extra support.
Holy cow.
So make sure we don't drown in the water.
Boat boys got a boat.
Yeah, we are not drowning. Yep. Dig it. For those of you guys who don't know, back at home, that says boat. Of course, dude. Of course. I knew that was coming. So, let's go. Catch some fish on the boat.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bro, we got a paddle. No. Both of it is. Get on, boy. Wait, it's actually floating?
Alright, come get on it now.
Dude, this is like quicksand. Ew!
It doesn't float,
Darn. Yeah. Dude, it's I can't. It's literally under it, dude. I can't.
Oh, it's not.
How much you move it over here?
Boat incoming. Okay, let me get on. You get on and I'll just get on. Got it.
That ain't working. You get on, sit on it.
That ain't working.
Well,
That's
right here will work. Sorry about the information.
What's up, Boat Nation? So the boat didn't work, but we'll make it better in another video. Thanks for watching. Later, Boat Nation.
Thanks for watching the vid, Boat Boys Nation.